Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to write HTML code. Let's dive right into understanding its core purpose. HTML, or Hypertext Markup Language, is the standard language for creating web pages. It provides the structure for your content, telling web browsers how to display text, images, and other media. Think of it as the blueprint for any website you visit, organizing everything from headings to paragraphs and links. It's fundamental to web development. To begin, every HTML document starts with a doc-type HTML declaration, which tells the browser what version of HTML to expect. Next, the entire page content is enclosed within the HTML tags. Inside this, you'll find two main sections, the head and the body. The head contains important metadata about the page, like its title, while the body is where all your visible content, such as text and images, resides. This basic structure is crucial for any web page. Now let's explore some common HTML elements you'll use daily. Headings are created using H1 through H6 tags, with H1 being the most important. For regular text, you'll use the P tag to define paragraphs. To add links, you'll use the tag, specifying the destination with the href attribute. Images are embedded using the im tag, requiring a src attribute for the image path. These elements form the building blocks of your web content. To write your HTML code, you'll need a simple text editor. Popular choices include VS Code, Sublime Text, or even basic Notepad. Once you've written your code, save the file with a HTML or HTML extension, for example, index.html. Then, simply open this file in any web browser to see your creation come to life. It's a straightforward process that allows you to instantly view your work. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, perfect for reading anywhere, plus other great deals you won't want to miss.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.